What's up, everybody? I am Rich.
And I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Mike.
And this is How's My Living? Okay, guys, it is Christmas time.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. It is Christmas time, and one of our favorite things to drink during Christmas time is
Eggnog.
eggnog. Is amazing. And unfortunately, Tiffany does not like
Eggnog.
which is not amazing.
Which is the opposite with me, because I've drank half a gallon of it one time in one setting.
He likes eggnog. He likes eggnog. So, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna find out the best eggnog for you. For you. Okay, we got 5 eggnogs right here. We have a almond milk eggnog, which I have zero hope for. We have a very special, what is this? We bought this all natural eggnog from Homestead Creamery. We bought this one at the fresh market, and it was a little bit more pricier than the other.
I got hope for this one.
Yeah, this one you're kind of hoping. It's gonna be a blind taste test, but you're kind of hoping that it's gonna be better. It says that it's made with the thickest cream. The thickest.
Nice.
The next one we got is Southern Comfort. Now I've had this one before. I like it, but sometimes it comes off a little bit thin.
Yeah, compared to most eggnogs, I got a feeling it's going to be the same consistency as the almond one, because it's a little more thin and not as creamy.
Yeah, and then we got the Organic Valley. I know organic is really in, but I'm not totally sure if we're gonna be able to taste the difference. And the last one here we got with the famous Santa Claus face bottle is the T.G. Lee Eggnog, which is the favorite for this match.
Yeah, that's the one I drink half a gallon of.
Yeah, it's good. So, let's get started. One. Thank you, Tiffany.
You're
Thank
welcome.
It's thick.
It's thick, yeah.
It's a thicker one. All right. I'm nervous now because I had high hopes for this, but now
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't want to be off on my taste bud.
T.G. Lee all day, baby.
You think that's T.G. Lee?
T.G. Lee all day.
You think that's T.G. Lee?
It's T.G. Lee all day.
I don't know. It's creamy though. It's thick and it's creamy.
It's T.G. Lee all day.
The nutmeg's there. You can definitely taste
Definitely
the
taste the nutmeg.
You can definitely taste the nutmeg, and it has that. I don't know. It's good. It's good. It's good. 1 to 5.
1 to 5. T.G. Lee is a solid 3.5.
If it's T.G. Lee.
If it's T.G. Lee. But I'm guessing T.G. Lee because I've just drank too much of it.
You said 3.5.
3.5.
I'm gonna give this a. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna say 3.2. 3.2. It's a good baseline number. So it's 3.5, 3.2. All right. Let's go to the next one. And number 2. Thank you, Tiffany.
You're welcome.
Now notice the glasses are smaller because we don't want to, a lot of eggnog does things, and we don't want to be a part of that.
No.
Okay. All right, let's give it a try. I know what this one is. I know exactly what this one is. Just like you called that T.G. Lee, this is Southern Comfort all day. Because I feel like Southern Comfort has this allspice taste to it. Something like that. Like they add an extra spice to it.
Do you think it's Southern Comfort?
Yeah.
I'm that one that was in a glass bottle. Now I like it. It's good. And the reason I say that, I have tried Southern Comfort too. And it's not as creamy.
Yeah, you're right there. It might not be. Now you got me doubting because it might not be. Because we have not drank any eggnog at all this year. So our taste buds is we're walking into this cold. We should have probably done some type of warm up or something, but we didn't. So I don't know. Now I'm like maybe 75% is Southern Comfort. All right, what are you rating this?
I'm gonna rate this one at. I'm gonna give it a 3.
It's the aftertaste stays with you a little bit more than the
Yeah.
last one does. I'm gonna give it a 2.8. Okay.
All right.
Next one. Okay. Number 3. Instantly, this is very watery.
You know, one thing I don't like about a bad eggnog
What?
is when it's watery.
Yeah.
'Cause it is meant to be thick.
Let's just clear the air right now. We already know that this is the almond milk one.
Yeah.
I hope this is the almond milk one. I really hope it is. But when I first tried almond milk, I was pleasantly surprised.
You know, it did have like a much little lighter and sweeter taste than regular milk.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I don't know. We could be fooling ourselves here.
Yeah. Okay. All right. No.
Absolutely not.
No.
And that is not almond. Well, you know what? Hang on.
That is almond milk.
Yep. That's
No.
We're good on that one.
No. I don't know. This is not gonna be my favorite. And obviously it's almond milk. We have it in there just to see, like, maybe it does stand up. There's probably somebody out there that has a taste for this and would love it, but we are not those people. How would you rate it?
I'm gonna rate that one a solid 0.5.
0.5. I'm gonna give it a 1.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 1. Back in the old days, there was a drink that was like eggnog, but it wasn't, and it was called eggnoggin. Now, they called it eggnoggin because that was an old English word for pouring things back and forth in a cup, and it was made with wine, eggs, and sugar. Once it actually started getting into America, it was used for sherries, and because milk, eggs, and cream and sherry was a symbol of wealth, it was commonly used during a toast. So then it steadily developed into the eggnog that we know today, and I feel like it's made leaps and bounds because all the old recipes sound terrible.
Absolutely horrible.
Yeah. Uno, dos, tres. Number quattro. Number quattro. Quattro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Eggnog's starting to get to me. But you know what you can do if the eggnog starts getting to you? Don't drink it. Right? Tons of recipes you can do with eggnog. It's basically heavy cream and seasonings put together. All you need is a few eggs, put it in a pan, boom, dip some bread into it.
French toast.
You got French toast. Eggnog French toast. Same thing. Follow the same recipe as bread pudding. Instead of milk and cream, boom, add eggnog. Eggnog is very versatile, right? Want to make a little eggnog ice cream? Throw it in your milkshake. Even pour it in your coffee in the morning. Have you a nice eggnog latte. Tons of versatile stuff with eggnog.
Let's see what number 4 tastes like here.
Okay, that had like a... Did you taste that on the front?
That is a very fresh taste.
That is an extremely...
That is a very fresh taste. And I know I'm using fresh in the wrong wording here. That is a very organic taste.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I think this might be something that you would go to a nice local country farm, and this might be something that you get right out of the glass bottle.
Organic milk is a little stronger dairy flavor. And we did read the label on the other one, and it said it was creamy.
Well, if you remember back when we was in Pennsylvania, right? And that Amish guy let us try some of his milk, but it was like unpasteurized milk. And some of you guys that's from them dairy countries is gonna know what I'm talking about. That milk has a different flavor than regular milk. It has a buttery, like more of you can definitely taste it. Yeah. All that stuff's still there, and this has that flavor. What do you think?
That one, I'm gonna go I'm gonna actually go with a 3.7 on that one. Reason being, I like that more natural dairy taste to it.
Yeah, I like it too. I'm gonna bring it to a 4. I think it's a 4. Solid 4. This one's white. The other ones has been like this yellow creamy color, but this one's been white.
You're gonna find an allspice taste at the end of this one.
Maybe.
Because
it makes me rethink number 2.
Yeah.
It makes me rethink.
And it makes you rethink number 4.
Maybe.
Because I got a feeling this is the Southern Comfort one.
I don't know. No. No.
Nope. That might be the almond milk. Or is that the organic?
That might be. I don't know. Here's my question. Why does organic things taste like they added more stuff to it?
Because I just don't. I'll be honest with you. That one to me has no flavor of eggnog at all. All 5.
No, if this is the almond milk one, then hats off to the almond milk.
That one is. There's an aftertaste that I don't like to it.
Yeah, there's something. There's something that's. There's something chemical about it. They don't taste organic. No, it doesn't.
It does not taste organic.
All right, what are you gonna rate this one? I still like it better than the watery one, though.
This one, I'm gonna have to go higher than the other one because the other one it repulsed me.
Yeah.
This one, I'm gonna go a 2.
A 2. Okay. Yeah. That one is it. So that's our last one. So now we got to bring Tiffany in, and she's going to line all of them up to show us how we did from worst to best. All right, so here it is from best to least. We knew that it was going to be the almond milk. That wasn't no surprise. There's people who's developed a taste for almond milk. I like regular almond milk, but I'm not a big fan of the whole, I like regular, maybe vanilla almond milk. That I'm just not used to. I'm not used to the texture, so it wasn't that great. Organic, it had that chemical flavor to it.
It did, and that's not organic.
Organic shouldn't have a chemical flavor to it. Don't have a chemical flavor to it if you're organic. Southern Comfort is perfect to where it's at right now because I always thought as Southern Comfort as a middle of the road eggnog.
I'll be honest with you, I'm not a fan of the allspice, but I can see where mixing the cup of Southern Comfort to that quart would probably be good with the Southern Comfort.
Yeah, it's definitely, this company definitely put that out as a mixer.
Oh yeah, it's definitely, it's definitely a mixer.
Yeah, especially if you have a company like that, you definitely want to put in the Christmas game.
Because Southern Comfort already got that sweet taste to it,
Now, does this surprise you at all?
No, it don't. I mean, I'll be honest with you. That one is the most common one that we've drank probably since we've been kids. So that, it don't surprise me. I knew the taste of it right off the bat.
But did it surprise you it was in second place?
No, because actually, I don't know. I said I had high hopes for this one.
Yeah.
I said I did have high hopes for that one. So that don't surprise me. Because this is, I'll be honest with you. This is kind of just like the regular, what we're used to.
Yeah.
This one brought a butterier, creamier taste to us.
This one's fancy.
And it was good.
Yeah, it was good. I think this definitely deserves first place. We bought this one at the Fresh Market. Now they might have it at Whole Foods, I don't know, or a similar product. The company name, I'll put the company name on there. It's called Homestead Creamery. That way you can see locations where you can pick it up. But that's probably the best one. Now, if you want mixers, you got right here. If you just want high quality eggnog for the family, right here. And that's gonna be it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Always like and subscribe. Stop, drop, like, and subscribe. Okay, guys? And I wanna give a shout out to all our new subscribers. This channel's growing like crazy, and we are so happy for that. We thank you guys so much. And with that being said, I am Rich.
I'm Mike.
And this has been How's My Living?